this video, we present fun, dynamic everyday phrases and a few facts about Thailand.
ยินดีต้อนรับสู่ประเทศไทย
Remember to like and subscribe for more exciting phrases. Thailand is located in Southeast Asia. The country shares borders with Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, and Malaysia. The capital city is Bangkok. Other major cities include Chiang Mai, Phuket, and Pattaya. The most convenient ways to get around Thai cities and towns are by motorbike, taxi, metro, tuk-tuk, Grab, and bus. For intercity travel, one can take a domestic flight, train, bus, ferry, boat, or car. The currency is the Thai baht. There are about 71 living languages spoken in the country. The official language is Thai. There are over 30 ethnic groups including Thai, Malay, Karen, and Chinese. The country has a population of 70 million as of 2021. Thailand has a tropical climate. The hot season occurs from March to mid-May, the monsoon season from mid-May to October, and the dry season from November to February. What is Thailand known for? Major industries include agriculture, tourism, automotive, electronics, and manufacturing. The automotive industry in Thailand is the largest in Southeast Asia, producing over 2 million vehicles annually. Some of the big brands manufactured in the country include Ford, Volkswagen, Mercedes, and BMW. 40 million people visited Thailand in 2019. Thailand is also ranked among the top 10 destinations for digital nomads. Thailand has an affordable lifestyle, fast internet, amazing food and adventure, making it one of the best places for digital nomads and remote work. There are several tourist attractions in Thailand. The Grand Palace is located in the capital, Bangkok. The attraction features a complex of buildings, lush gardens, temples, ancient relics, and the Temple of the Emerald Buddha. We want to share interesting phrases that may be useful to learn before you travel to Thailand.
สวัสดี ขอบคุณครับ ด้วยความยินดีครับ ขอโทษนะครับ คุณพูดภาษาอังกฤษได้ไหม คุณชื่ออะไร ผมชื่อบายใช่ ไม่ใช่ ผมไม่เข้าใจ ผมต้องการความช่วยเหลือ ผมขอโทษ คุณมาจากประเทศอะไร ผมมาจาก ผมมาที่ อันนี้ราคาเท่าไหร่ อยู่ที่ไหน
And now, some cool local slang to help you get around.
ลดหน่อยได้ไหม ขอบใจ ได้เลย ผมสบายดีโคตรขำ